So good morning to all. So today onwards we start a new chapter, Network 2. So in this chapter we are going to study the modulation technique. So modulation. So in the small classes in science, you already study electromagnetic spectrum. So in electromagnetic spectrum, there are too many waves are there. So like radio wave, microwave. So here the radio wave and microwaves are used for carrying data or messages. So the main working means if you want to send a data from a source to a receiver, first we need to combine that data with one signal. So that signal is called a carrier signal, carrier wave, or carrier means something that need to have, which means that our data first we need to binding with the carrier wave or superimposing. So that method of adding our data with the carrier wave, our message signal with the carrier wave is called a superimposing. So this process is called modulation. So modulation is the process of changing the characteristics of a carrier wave by superimposing message signals on a high frequency signal. So here look at that one figure is there. This is our message signal, the left side. Then we can add that message signal on a carrier wave in order to send that data. So the output become modulated signal. So this is called a modulation. This entire process is called a modulation. So if you want to send one data to one sender to receiver, first we do this modulation. So in our home, one device is called a modem. Modem we already studied in the previous chapter. Modem do that this modulation and demodulation process. So first we can convert this message to that combine with the carrier signal. So that is called modulation. So in the receiver side it is again demodulated in order to get the original message. So this is called a modulation process. So this is just an introduction of this chapter. So in this chapter we are going to study different types of modulations, amplitude modulation, frequency modulation. There are too many modulations are there. So you just understand that what you mean by modulation. Modulation is nothing but changing. It is a process of changing the characteristics of carrier wave by superimposing message signal like this. So that message signal is imposed on a carrier wave. So carrier wave then become modulated wave. This modulated wave only we are transmitting to the receiver side. So sender and receiver is there. So this paragraph containing that explanation. So hope you understand the process of modulation. So in the coming days we can study the different types of modulation technique.